Hey everyone, so Valentine's Day is coming up and I've got the perfect dessert for a date night in, and I'm also doing a collab with three beautiful girls here on YouTube. Amy, who is Enford Nurse, Jessica, Weight Watching Mama, and Jess, Weight Watchers Journey to Healthy, and all three of us are going to be sharing different courses for this date night. We've got Amy doing the main dish, Jessica's doing the side dish, and Jess is doing the appetizer, and like I said, I'm going to be doing the dessert. So make sure you watch all of our videos and the links will be down below. So to make the Valentine cannoli cups, you're gonna need some phyllo shells, you're gonna need some mascarpone, and you're also gonna need some ricotta cheese. In a bowl, you're going to add 1/4 cup of the mascarpone and 2/3 cup of ricotta cheese, and 3 tablespoons powdered sugar, dash of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and you're going to mix that up very well. And then you're going to have 1/3 cup of mini chocolate chips, and you're going to divide that and you're going to place half of it inside of the mix and stir that up. I also want to mention that I found this recipe a while ago from Emilybites.com, and it's so good that I was excited to share this with you. And yeah, so anyways, I just got the phyllo shells, laid those out, and I used an ice cream scooper to actually place the mix in the shells, and it made it a lot easier. And then after I did that, I then topped it off with the remaining chocolate chips. And to bring in the Valentine's Day spirit, I had these sprinkles that are from a frosting from Target, and just added those on top to make them look very festive for date night. And they are super delicious, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and please don't forget to check out the other girls' videos and subscribe to them for some healthy recipes, grocery hauls, and their date night dishes for this lovely collab we're doing. So thank you so much again, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!